All right, today we are hiking to a swinging bridge. I'm not sure if the dogs can go over it, but we're going to hike there. So we were on a service road for 3 miles to get back here. 1-lane road, so if a car was coming the other way, we had to pull over onto the side of the road. So that was our journey up here. And then I don't remember how far it said there was a walk back to the swinging bridge, but I can hear the water, so I don't think it's that far. It's about 43 degrees, overcast, no sun, so it's kind of chilly for us Floridians, but it's nice. So we'll see how far we have to go back there, and I hear the water that way. So we will see. Something down there? That's so cool. Look, somebody carved a seat out of this tree trunk. There's the rest of it. That's cool. Come on, baby. We're going down, down, down. What? Oh, how many rings does it have? I forgot to look at that. Here, Woo, come here.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a lot of rings.
How old it is. How many rings? Every ring is a year, right? That's crazy. Wait, Woo. Wait, let's wait for Daddy. The princess. All right, here it is. There's people coming across. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's moving. Woo doesn't know what to do. Oh, baby. Okay, we're going to follow Daddy. She was like, no.
Come on, princess.
Okay, let's try this again. All right, come on. You can do it. Oh my gosh, that's swinging. Oh, baby. Okay, well, she doesn't really know. It's moving. It was swinging. And we made it to almost the middle, so we're going to try to keep going. Come on, baby. Look at this, guys. Daddy's taking our picture. I'm going super, super slow, so she'll go. I'm letting her go at her own pace. If we start to move, I stop. She's doing good. All right, keep going. Go. Come on. We're almost there. We're almost there. So when you get past these braces, it gets kind of shaky for a second. So hopefully, oh, she's moving. She's like, I'm done, Mama. Okay, so we made it across. And now we have to go back across. She did it. Yay. All right, let's hike up here and see if there's a little waterfall. I think there's supposed to be a little waterfall up here or something. Let's go see. Ain't this pretty? Look at this. You guys want a drink? Here. Okay, we'll go back.
Unless this is the waterfall we're talking about. They said it's just a little something.
Oh, yeah. You guys want some water? It's moving. So there's the bridge over there. We're going to go back over there. Oh, that must be the little waterfall right there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a sign. We could have come down over that way. Okay. Do you want some water? Princess, do you like to get water out of the stream? You want water? Look at this. What do you guys think? Huh? I see. When we're hiking, she likes Daddy. All right, we found a little path over a little stream that comes down underneath the bridge. That's cool. We was like, oh, I'm gonna go swimming, Mommy. I'm gonna swim across. I'm gonna swim across. I'm not gonna go back over that bridge. Look at that. You came across that, baby. You're gonna make me go down there? Okay. I was like, I don't want to get muddy. Princess is doing such a good job for a little 13-year-old. This is so nice. I love being out in the woods and hiking. And it's cold. And there's water. So this is awesome. Lou, this is where we crossed. Hold on, let Daddy go.
Come on, Princess.
All right. This is where we crossed, baby. She's like, okay, Mama. I gotta go on this rock. Okay. All right, we hiked up a little ways and it was just getting steeper, so we turned around. And it's like 3 miles. Go, baby. So we won't make it back before dark, so. And I didn't bring the backpack, so we were like, X-nay on that. So we're gonna go back across the bridge and go down to the river. All right, we're going back across the bridge. She's doing all right. We have to let them get in front of us a ways because it swings a lot. Here's a sign. This bridge was constructed in '77 by the Forest Service. And she stopped. All right, come on. Slow and easy, babes. All right, it should be good now. So pretty. All right, come on, Lou. Good girl. You can do it. You can do it. You got it. Come on. Oh, come on. She can do it. Come on, Woo, let's do it. Princess is like, nope. Woo's like, just get me off of this thing. Hurry. We made it. Yay. We did it, guys. Thank you for watching our adventures on the swinging bridge today. The dogs did it. Yay.